And oh my God, Chi-Chi.
Kai. Kai.
Oh my God, Chi-Chi.
And there's $500 extra in my account.
Oh, Satan's minions at work again?
Minion. Minion.
Oh, Satan's minions at work again?
Dear Ms. Buffet, thank you for calling attention to our error. We have credited your account for $500. We're sorry for the inconvenience.
Inconvenience. Inconvenience.
We have credited your account for $500. We're sorry for the inconvenience.
What's your?
From the nursery rhyme.
Rhyme. Rhyme.
From the nursery rhyme.
So I think Alan will become the yardstick.
Yardstick. Yardstick.
Will become the yardstick.
I mean, it was like he made us into a team.
Yep, we sure showed those acidic jewelers.
Jeweler. Jeweler.
Yep, we sure showed those acidic jewelers.
Oh, no, that's impossible. You can never be two Alan.
Yeah, it's his innate Allenness that we adore.
Innate. Innate.
Yeah, it's his innate Allenness that we adore.
Hey, Lizzie.
Hey, weird girl.
I brought you alphabet soup. Did you pick out the vowels?
Vowel. Vowel.
I brought you alphabet soup. Did you pick out the vowels?
Keep the change.
Thanks, Lizzie.
Sure you don't want a pretzel?
Pretzel. Pretzel.
Sure you don't want a pretzel?
I know. I opened it up, and there it was, just floating in there like this tiny little hitchhiker.
Hitchhiker. Hitchhiker.
Just floating in there like this tiny little hitchhiker.
I could live without it.
Was it like a little annoying, or is it like when Phoebe chews her hair?
Annoy. Annoy.
Was it like a little annoying, or is it like when Phoebe chews her hair? Was it like a little annoying, or is it like when Phoebe chews her hair?
Oh, now don't listen to him, Phoebes, all right? I think it's endearing.
Endear. Endear.
Oh, now don't listen to him, Phoebes, all right? I think it's endearing. Don't you realize what you're doing to yourself?
Hey, you know, I've had it with you guys and your cancer and your emphysema and your heart disease.
Emphysema. Emphysema.
Your emphysema and your heart disease. If I had a sock on my hand for 30 years, I'd be talking too.
Okay, I think it's time to change somebody's nicotine patch.
Nicotine. Nicotine.
Okay, I think it's time to change somebody's nicotine patch. Hey, Phoebes, you gonna have the rest of that Pop-Tart? Phoebes?
Does anyone want the rest of this Pop-Tart?
Tart. Tart.
Does anyone want the rest of this Pop-Tart?